Hey everybody, Mulkey Films here. Today doing a quick video showing you how to ratchet down on your tie downs. Now what we have here, this is a set of Goodyear orange tie downs we got from Costco. They're very nice. They're meant for a very heavy load. Well, I'll put down in the description below the max rating. I think it's 1,000 pounds. So if you're tying down something smaller than that, say like a mattress, what I noticed is because these are so long and so heavy duty that if you're feeding it the wrong way, it can be very hard to tighten it down because it rolls up, and then you actually have so much of a roll that you can't close the tie down anymore. So what you want to do is go ahead and feed it through, and you want to pull it tight. You want to stick this tail out. Just go ahead and pull it as far as you can, and link up with your other side, and then start to ratchet it down. And that'll help you, so that way. And then also, if you have a twist here, try to avoid that. You don't want any twists, because that'll also get in there. So we'll go ahead and turn it around so it's not twisted. Okay, I'm going to stick my long tail out the back here. I'm going to go ahead and close it to ratchet it, okay? So let's go ahead and do it. Oh, there you go. Okay. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to ratchet it. And you can see it's starting to tighten it up. And actually I'm holding on to the tail right here, the long tail, and pulling it real nice and tight. So that way you can link up if you're doing a car and you got it in the middle. Just go ahead and come around to the other side, link it up, and it'll be nice and tight. So I'll open up the back here. You can see this side, we got it nice and tight. So it's got a little twist there, but that's okay. And you can see it's pretty well secured. It's securing our mattress, queen size, pretty well. So thanks for watching. This has been Mulkey Films. I hope that helps. This is how to tighten and use your Goodyear Ratchet tie downs.